In a quiet moment, a philosopher pondered, "Why do we hiccup?" Suddenly, a hiccup interrupted his thoughts. "Ah, a reminder of life's unpredictability," he mused. His friend, a scientist, explained, "It's the diaphragm's sudden contraction." The philosopher smiled, "So even our bodies teach us about sudden change." The scientist nodded. "Indeed, it's a quick intake of breath, a pause in our routine." Reflecting, the philosopher realized, hiccups remind us to embrace life's unexpected turns. With a chuckle, he added, "Perhaps they're life's way of saying, pause and breathe." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.